yung thumb mo slightly tilted outward. Okay? And then from here, yung drive mo, elbows towards rib cage. Okay? So here, tight yung core, elbow towards the rib cage, baba yung chest. Then as you go up, you'll push your body as one unit. Okay? Hindi maiiwan yung glutes, sasama yung glutes. Wala yung bulate push up, ha? We go for an extended plank muna. Sige, mag-plank ka muna. Yan, elbow tight, core tight. Okay? Move forward ng konting katawan. Yan, okay? Elbow towards the rib cage. Come on. Dahan-dahan. Okay, then press up. Oh, di ba? Okay, let's go. Last one. Then up. Nice. All right, that's enough. Okay na yun. Oh, di ba? We're slowly getting there. Hindi pa ganun kalinis, pero at least may progress comparing dun sa ginawa natin na softbox. So eventually, kapag enough na yung strength mo to push yourself, your body weight, okay na yan. Okay, so for now,